Stunning Lad 1.
Stunning Lad 1. It's a very big YouTube station. Ta-da!
Hi. Well, that's how it looks today, in the year 2015, September in fact. But how did this look 2 years ago? Well, if you can remember my rooftop broadcast, you'll know. For those who can't, here's a little clip from it. And the rendering getting done next door too. Apparently this is meant to insulate the property. Well, I'll take their word for it. This is me now, and that was me then. And that wasn't meant to happen. Okay, now, honestly, that was not planned. That was a genuine blooper caught on camera. Yes, the chair collapsed just before I was about to make the broadcast. Unbelievable scenes. Luckily enough, we have spare chairs on the roof. Yes, there's another roof on top of this roof. Thank you. Here goes nothing. No, that's not going to work. Try this instead. I cannot believe that chair broke. I really can't. Unbelievable scenes. Right. I've got a better idea. Okay, I've managed it, so let's get managed it thanks to this old bit of guttering here. The chairs were way over there and I had to pull them along. I'll let you have a look at that roof in a second. Right, I'm not going up there, but by all means you can have a look at it. Here we are, the top of Stunning Lad 1's apartment. Yep, the Stunning one takes you pretty high, I can tell you. Nobody takes you higher than the Stunning one. And there is Blackpool Tower in the distance, I can tell you. Right, so that's enough of that. That was rendering in the 21st century. And I almost fell off that roof. And that would have been disastrous. There is the offending chair. That will be getting thrown out just to make sure nobody else does my little party trick there. It would have been quite a drop. You might be able to see the drop. I'm just using you as a fishing rod here. That is where I would have dropped to. And that would have been a right old carry-on, I can tell you. Now, it's safe to say that nobody gets you higher. Wow. You're even higher than the roof now because you're perched on a tripod. And there we have it. Time to go now. See ya. Now, it's safe to say that nobody gets you higher. Wow. You're even higher than the roof now because you're perched on a tripod. And there we have it. Time to go now. See ya.
Stunning Lad 1. It's a very big YouTube station.
And we've moved into the future, and that's how it's like a couple of days later. And that is the finished product. A couple of days later, yes, we've moved into the future here. And that's what it's like when it's been painted. Stunning lad 1. Stunning lad 1. Stunning lad 1. Stunning lad 1. Stunning lad 1.
Stunning Lad 1. It's a very big YouTube station.